Computer Networking by NetEd Connect. This is a standalone computer. When two or more computers are connected together, it is called computer network. Main purpose of a computer network: 1. To communicate. 2. To share data or information. 3. To share resources. How computers are connected? 1. Wired connection. And 2. Wireless connection. Types of computer network: 1. Personal area network. 2. Local area network. 3. Metropolitan area network. And 4. Wide area network. Personal area network is a connection between only two computers. This is an example of personal area network. Local area network is a group of connected computers confined to one building or site. Local area network. Metropolitan area network is a network designed for a town or city. Wide area network, the largest computer network that extends over a large geographical distance. That's the wide area network. Internet is an example of one. One is a wide area network. To easily determine the type of computer network, we must consider the size and reach. Thank you guys. Hope you learn.